Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your Nintendo Switch Online is just not working for some reason. There's a couple different ways to fix this. The very first thing I would recommend looking at is making sure that your network connections are all set and you're ready to go. Sometimes you can have some issues with your Wi-Fi and, network. And if you have a Nintendo Switch that supports Ethernet, like an OLED Switch, you may want to go ahead and make sure all of your network connectivity issues are situated. Because if they're not, you may be in a situation where your Nintendo Switch Online just isn't working. Now, let's say you verified your Wi-Fi, you're checking other applications, you can go on, the Nintendo Switch store and all these other things, but Nintendo Switch Online just isn't working. Well, in this specific case, believe it or not, most times Nintendo Switch actually goes under some repairs. So for their online program, you may see that some of their, servers and services may temporarily be down. In this specific case, the Nintendo Switch Online may actually end up being down, and a great way to test this is to try any other applications or other games that support Nintendo Switch Online. So if you're on, Animal Crossing, you can go to Smash or Mario Kart or something like that. Try a different application and see if those specific connections are working. Because chances are if Nintendo Switch Online isn't working for one, it may not be working for another, specific, game too. And if it's not working on either one of those, Nintendo Switch Online may temporarily be down, and there's really nothing you can do. All you can do is just wait until Nintendo actually goes ahead and fixes that problem. Now, sometimes there can be some situations where that actually isn't the problem, so you're going to have to go ahead and actually try to see if you have any, reasons why Nintendo Switch may have banned or blocked you from Nintendo Switch Online. So things like profanity, things like cyberbullying, things like that, Nintendo doesn't really take lightly, and they may actually ban your account if they deem that you're being inappropriate on Nintendo Switch Online. Now, there's a ton of different reasons why this may be happening. There's never just one, and you may not even do anything wrong, and maybe they'll just ban you by accident. So at that point, you can contact Nintendo by going to nintendoswitch.com, and you can contact Nintendo by going to nintendo.com, or you can also email them with their support page, and you want to let them know that, hey, my Nintendo Switch isn't online, isn't working, how can we fix this, yada yada yada, and they should be able to get back with you very shortly. Their Nintendo Switch, online division isn't really that slow, and they should be able to let you know everything, and at that point, you should be good to go for the most part, and all you really have to do is pretty much just wait until Nintendo Switch gets back with you, and then you can pretty much move on from there. Again, it's not a guarantee, but it is something that you can go ahead and try to test out, and they may get back with you. So those are a couple different ways to go ahead and fix your specific Nintendo Switch Online if it's not working. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.